Are you feeling the urge to travel and experience the adventure of a lifetime, to connect to yourself, others, and the natural rhythm of Mother Earth, all in a real life version of heaven on earth? It exists and it's here. I'm standing here in Costa Rica. I've been coming here the past 7 years, and it's about time I had some of y'all join me, which is why I'm excited to announce myself and my good brother Nicholas Giordano are combining forces for the Pura Vida and Lila retreat. Pura Vida is a term used here in Costa Rica meaning pure life, and Lila is a Sanskrit yoga word meaning divine play. And that's our exact intention for this experience. Can you imagine waking up and meditating to the sacred sounds of tropical birds? How about breathwork inspired by some of the healthiest prana a human can get from one of the most biodiverse places on the planet? What about dipping off in a cool waterfall in our backyard after a nice yoga session overlooking the jungle canopy? It's all waiting for you. And so I wanted to invite you to this golden opportunity to reset and recharge yourself so that you can plug back into your life re-inspired and motivated. So please join us. We can't wait to see you here in paradise.